Hey guys, what's up? My name is Soni and I'll talk about the J2EE now. Just 1 second. It's basically I'm having event of Microsoft in my city as a representative. So let me answer it. City में okay, so just I'll continue it, okay? So hey there, let's continue. I'm probably gonna be talking about J2EE presentation now. I'll teach you J2EE basic concept, and these will be through the PPTs I have made. I'll upload it in the slide share. You can download it from over there. I'll provide you direct link of that. Don't worry about that. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I'll discuss almost all the basic concept which are found within the J2EE. So stay tuned and listen to me quite carefully, okay? So let me start it on, and let me basically start the slideshow from the beginning. So let's get started. First of all, before J2EE, as it is known that before taking the advanced mathematics, we should know basic mathematics. Basic mathematics include addition, subtraction, algebra, all these things. Like similarly, before knowing advanced Java, you should know basic about Java, core Java. You must know actually what does core Java means first of all. If you don't ever think of getting started to the advanced Java. Believe it, bro. Even if you make it very well in advanced Java, it would be worthless, because it would be expected that if you know advanced Java, you definitely know these basics of the Java, which you actually don't. So please start from core Java, and once you have quite perfected core Java, only then shift over to advanced Java. Okay. Regarding Java core, some of the things you should know, I'm telling you just quickly over here right now. Let me tell you some of the few tutorials will focus on core Java, because you know it's the basic and I focus on basic a lot. And then we'll start from the advanced Java. So you'll basically, if you already know core Java, I would still stress you to go through it, because I will be covering a whole core Java within 2 to 3 video tutorials, and it will be really a nice revision for you all guys. But if you don't want to go through core Java, then you'll move over to 4 to 5 tutorial. I don't know which one, because I'm right now in the first tutorial, but you'll find the title advanced Java of the video. Well, the video will be named by advanced Java. You should start from over there. Okay, so within advanced Java, we'll first of all talk about core Java. We'll start with genesis of Java. What does genesis mean? Do you know that? Well, I think that genesis means origin. So what is the origin of Java? Anyone? Yes, Java was created by James Gosling. Well, Java is made. Actually, when we make a product, we have certain things in mind, and always it's kind of improvement onto the product which is already available in the market. The same goes for Java. It is considered as an improvement over to C++. We all know that B language led to the development of C during the early 1970s. Remember, early 1970s. We all know that C++, which is also known as C with classes, was basically derived from C language in the late 1970s. Then after the C++, it led to the development of Java, and James Gosling is the guy who developed the Java. But if the question is, when does the Java get developed? In this book we can find it, I guess so. Let me tell you when does the Java get developed. Sorry for late, I do not remember the time. That's really bad, I know that. This is the set for Java, and I think including 1991, That's pretty cool. Java was actually developed in 1995, you see. Actually, as we can see that Java did actually started and it was developed in 1991, but it was standardized in 1995. Earlier Java was called as OIC. Yes, Java was named as OIC, but afterwards the developers, these are the group of developers who made Java language, they named it as Java in 1995. So we'll say Java is developed in 1995. Understood? We'll move over to next one. Let's be quickly because it's 6 minutes already. It's more than 6 minutes. Sorry about that. Anyway, so we were over here in the PPT, I guess. So slideshow was there. Yeah. Name, provide brief description if desired. It's not worth it. Okay, so we'll talk about Genesis. See, James Gosling. Why Java is so important to the internet? Well, Java is so important, so much important to the internet, because first of all, let me tell you, Java is portable. You say that fine, C++ is also portable, what's new in it? The thing is that bro and girls out there, you have C, you made a C program, okay, yeah, you gave it to me. Can I run it? I can run it if I have a C language compiler. Then I can compile your program and can run it. So the thing is, I need a compiler, but it's not but this is not the same in Java. Suppose you made a Java program, you compile it, and you gave it to me. I do not need to compile it again. I can straightforward run it. But it is not the case. If you compile a C program and you give it to me, it will not run in on my PC. To run it, I would require a compiler. Without compiler, it won't run. But for Java, we do not require compiler, and that's why we say it is so much portable. That is one of the important, because in internet C, I made a product, I upload it onto World Wide Web, and guess what? I don't know what is the OS you are using, but I'll be sure that my program will run if it is made in Java. But I'm not sure if it will run or not if it is made in C++ or C, because it will only be run if we have compiler associated with that language. Suppose for C language, I knew compiler are a lot about C language. For I meant to say for each and every, almost all OS has C language compiler, but guess what? There are a hell lot of OS out there. We cannot basically provide compiler for each and every OS. Certainly one of the most important things why Java is important to the internet is because of applet. Applet is a small program which can be run by browser, within the browser. So if I over here say 1 meter equals to, and I hit enter, you'll find a small embedded Galaxy over here. This is by Google, and this is applet. This is like a applet. I don't know if it is made in applet or not, certainly not, but these such programs are made by applet, which basically can be embedded within the web browser. This is why Java is so much important to the internet. There is one more thing, and that is that I'll show you by basically moving over to my codes. Don't worry, you need not to code right now. I'm basically focused on basic and explaining to all you guys basic concept right now. So you see we have over here class file. I hit enter. You see the code. It's You cannot understand it, simple as that. So the figure class, do I have a Java file of figure class? Oh, that's bad, we don't. But suppose this is a Java file, okay, of figure class. The thing is .java source code is readable, but .class is not. And I basically circulate .class file to each and every client machine, and all those clients cannot read code from .class, and that make it very much secure, believe it. The one more thing is that viruses all there in the internet, these are most proneable to .exe file, isn't it? Windows is the most proneable OS out there, and so .exe is it gets most damaged by the viruses. But this is not the case with Java, because Java extensions are actually .jar. I'll show you right now one of the project. I hope I have one. Only then I can show you. I don't know, man. Okay, you already know jar file, isn't it? Yeah. So basically, it is simply offers resistance. Okay, fine. I get to know one project. I'll show you that. To the viruses cannot affect jar file, because they are not made to affect jar file. They are made for damaging .exe file, and that's the reason Linux, Mac OS, all those offers a hell lot of resistance to the viruses. Get it? Yeah, cool. So I was basically showing you jar file, and over to NetBeans project. Where is it? Damn it, I cannot find it. Maybe over here. Fine. Let me see. Pro Java. Yeah. So I think it is within content. Yes. At last I find it out, I guess so. So web browser, and we have over here within this. There you go. Executable jar file. I hit enter, and hopefully there you go. Java application gets launched. I type over here Google, and Google will get open. This is web browser, simple web browser made in Java. You all guys know it if you have Java code, if you have done Java code, isn't it? I hope you all guys have done, because if you don't, please back off and watch my Java code. Those are also awesome. Come back and you do that one. So we'll continue our video tutorial. Oh my god, it's 13 minutes. We'll continue in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. It will really keep me going. Thanks for watching.